So we're here in Lancaster today, and we have nearly 2,000 farmers and food system professionals and sustainable agriculture supporters coming from Pennsylvania and the Mid-Atlantic region and the country at large to all get together and talk farming and food systems in one space. 29 years ago, a group of farmers in central Pennsylvania were interested in sustainable agriculture, but there was no organization or resources that were really speaking to what they wanted to do on their farms. So they started a conference. That's how our organization started, and it's been going strong for nearly 30 years. If you're in the Mid-Atlantic region, it's the largest sustainable agriculture conference, and new folks are coming each year. Two main reasons why people come is the educational workshops. So we have over 100 workshops on everything from crop production to business planning to farm to school topics. And then beyond the workshops is the connections that people are making with one another. To build a successful community-based food system, you need to have the strong community connections. So this space is really a time where farmers and food system professionals who can feel kind of siloed in the rest of the year and on their land and kind of attached to the land, it's really a space for people to get out and connect with one another. Keynote speakers are Josh Tickell. He's a filmmaker and author of Kiss the Ground. And he'll be speaking about activism and regeneration, how to get folks to really listen and pay attention to regenerative agriculture movement. We also have Michael Twitty, who is the author of The Cooking Gene, and he's a chef. So he'll be talking about the African American food traditions and creating culinary justice through the way we eat and how we prepare food. This year is our biggest conference yet. We shouldn't really be surprised because sustainable agriculture education is becoming more and more important and critical.